There seemingly hasn't been a use for the wool we produce. Years ago, it was our best paying fortnight of the year. You know, it was a good earner, but now it's just a waste of time.
I had a challenge from Sharon, and she said, please would you take my fleece, see what you can do with it. And we were able to make nearly £300. Rhys comes along, and a typical farmer, and he looks at this, he said, yeah, it's all right. He said, but what about the other 999 fleece I've got in my shed? We need to be looking at the wider use of fleece.
A big challenge for us was to find a grow mat for growing the produce on these beds underneath. So we found a product which was using sheep's wool. So it was just a wool mat, and it sits in the water. The wool will actually also naturally break down as it's being used, and it will release nitrogen as it's breaking down, so it's also reducing our fertiliser requirements for the crops.
It's always also used as a soil warmer. You don't get any weeds, so there's lots of advantages of using it.
Very proud, to be honest. Very, very proud. And if a financial gain at the end of the day is hopefully for all farmers to get more money for their wool, it's fantastic.
But it's the pride, isn't it? As you said, proud. It's that value which is important as well.